a shooting at a local gun store in Range. Good afternoon to you. I'm Lisa Cooney. Mark Hayes has the day off. Crews were called to Target World on Kemper Road in Sharonville. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson just arrived on the scene. She's live for us this noon. Karen, what do you have for us?
Well, good afternoon, Lisa. A teenager was rushed to Children's Hospital just a short time ago. I'm told a 13-year-old here at Target World was shot in the leg. At this point, we don't know if he was shot with the gun he was using or if it came from someone else's gun. Target World manager just came out, said the store would not be making any comments at this time. He tells me Sharonville police is investigating and they've asked Target World not to talk to the media at this time. But I am told the injury to the 13-year-old is minor and right now Target World remains open. Reporting live, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.